Hey guys, Eric Roberts. I'm in the studio today. I just want to take a minute to go through this song, The Blessing from Elevation. This song, when it came out, I think it hit 1 million like in a couple days. It was huge, and the production is awesome. The song is cool. I'm going to play this on my Play and Sing Patreon in the next couple weeks, and I'll have this in my Patreon. I'll have this on my other YouTube channel. I've got some strumming patterns here, so basically piano rhythm patterns. There's some little nuances for you guys who are studying piano and want to know a little bit about it. So with the intro of the song, it's got this really cool, it's 1 to 4. So it's G, and he really accentuates the left hand. So it's sort of just going like this. It's a third in the left hand, a G and a B, and then G to a C. And that's sort of what you hear when he does the beginning. 3, 4, 2, 3. And then he starts singing, so the Lord bless you and keep you. Now he goes, he makes that chord, which is a G/B. So this song is kind of a cool study on all the music that we're doing and all the lessons, because these nuances make this song sound awesome. So G/B, make his face shine upon you and be gracious, slides into the 6 minor, E minor. Lord bless you, turn his face toward you, and then and give you peace. And he goes back to that 4, 4. So you see, that is rich in the piano. It's very simple, but rich. It's real simple, easy. G to a C. You know, G to a, basically a G to a C inversion. And then when he goes to make his face, he goes to G/B. Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Okay, so that's simple. That G/B to a D to a G makes kind of a cool feeling too. And give you peace. So left hand is B, D, G. Now I'll talk a little bit about the vocals on this as we go through, but this is the chorus. Very simple. E minor. Okay, so the melody on that is very simple, and as a vocalist I was kind of listening to that, so it's got movement. So I'm going to play it for you. So that is the actual melody of the chorus. It goes, and then it goes. So it starts on a 3. So if you're doing this at your piano and you just want to get the feel of kind of what I had to do, is get the feel of that melody. So it's 3, 2, 4, 3, and then Amen. That's a 4, 3, and then it goes 3, 4, 2, which is really beautiful melody. So it sings like this. Very longing. I think that's why people love this song. That's why I love this song. It's got some cool turns in the melody. It's got some cool longing in the melody and some unexpected turns in the melody, which make it kind of cool. Now this next part, and that's very simple chord pattern. E minor to a C to a G to a D. This whole song had so much impact with only 4 chords. The whole song, E minor, G, C, and D. And they changed it up with the little slash chord, the G/B, and sort of some turns in the melody, which made it just fantastic and made it feel so emotional. But Let's go into the bridge. The bridge is huge builds, and I've kind of mapped this out on my chart here, and I'll do more of this, but this bridge, it's a little hard to sing and think about how to sing it, but I kind of mapped out for my own self, so I'll show you what I did. May his favor, may his favor. So we start on a 6, which is E minor. May his favor, but we're on a 1 on the vocal. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations. And then she lifts it up to the 2. And Amana and your children. So it's a 2-1 and your children. And then this is and your children and their children. So it goes 7 down to the 5 and then 7 up to the 1. That's what this is why this feels so incredible too, because it's always going to the 7, 5, dips down 7, 1, and it's got that leading tone in the melody the whole time. And as they build, they're just building on that leading tone. It's actually pretty brilliant musical language speaking here. May his favor, so you're on 1. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and the children and the children. Lift up the 1. So children and your children, may his presence go before you and behind you and beside you, all around you. That's a 2 again. All around you and with you. He is with you. He is with you. Now once they start building, they never drop back down to the 5. They leave out that kind of ominous da 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 da. They go da 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 da. They push the leading tone all the time as they're building. And so it's the same 4 chords, really, I believe, as the chorus, which is, again, fantastic. The same chord progression. E minor, C, G, D. Through the chorus, through the amens, and through the bridge. Same chord progression. E minor, C, G, D. So 4 chords, and that's a 6 to a 4, to 1 to 5. And so they keep doing that. In the morning and the evening, and you're coming and you're going, they lift up, and you're weeping and rejoicing. He is for you, he is for you. And they do that again very and then they start pushing this part, 7-1, 7-1. He is for you, 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 he is for you. And then they lift, he is for you, he is for you, he is for you. And that's how they build it. So when they start tagging he is for you, they're doing that 7 to 1 the whole time. He is for you, 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 he is for you. So they push the 2 on that as well. So they're going 7-1, 7-1, 7-1. You just have to listen to that. I kind of wrote notes on my paper, especially when I'm learning a new song. It's kind of like those nuances, sometimes I just kind of forget them, especially in this song where it sort of seems like it's not really a cut like ding 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 melody, but there's these emotional parts of it that if you don't do it right, then you lose the emotion. If you don't push that 7-1 every time on that part, then you're not going to have that emotional drive. So I think that's everything that I thought about this song, all of the little nuances of the song, and it's very easy to do. I'll play it all the way through one time for you guys, and then make sure you check out the Patreon where I'll be uploading a lot of these charts. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the other channel which is Play and Sing TV for guitar and piano, I'll do this song where I put the chords on the screen and I put these strumming patterns on the screen and all that. So just check that out and make sure you let me know what you think. But we start out on G. That's the beginning. The Lord bless you and keep you and make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. build up to the That's a great song. I'm looking forward to doing this song really in the Play and Sing TV channel where I can put the chords up and produce it a little bit. But that's my first thought about this song. Let me know what you guys think. God bless you guys. I will see you on the next video.